In this video, I'll walk you through the process of how to ask questions to DeepSeek. If you find this tutorial useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. DeepSeek is a new tool after ChatGPT that provides in-depth insights and precise answers, making it valuable for exploring complex topics and uncovering hidden patterns. It enhances understanding by analyzing vast datasets with advanced AI capabilities. If you've used ChatGPT or other large language models in the past, you'll find the experience with DeepSeek quite familiar, but with a few key enhancements. When you first open the DeepSeek application, you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. At first glance, you might notice that the layout is similar to what you'd expect from other chat-based platforms like ChatGPT. The main feature of the application is the message box, where you can type your queries. This is where you'll interact with the system. It's simple to use, just like a chat box, and you can begin typing any question or request you have. On the left side of the screen, you will find a panel containing a New Chat button. Clicking this button starts a fresh conversation, allowing you to ask a new question without any previous chat history cluttering the interface. This feature is quite useful, especially if you want to conduct different research or explore unrelated topics without mixing them up. DeepSeek claims to offer a superior experience compared to other platforms. Like many other AI chat tools, it can answer a wide variety of questions. But DeepSeek takes things a step further by offering more comprehensive, detailed, and researched answers. It can handle both new and old topics, making it an excellent resource for anyone needing up-to-date or historical information. If you've used ChatGPT before, you'll find that DeepSeek operates on a similar foundation, but with enhanced capabilities. For example, you can use DeepSeek to research anything from budget planning to safety measures, travel itineraries, and historical or geographical data. It doesn't stop there. DeepSeek can even provide real-time information, breaking news, and popular lists such as top 10 recommendations on various topics. The key to using DeepSeek effectively is simple. Just ask. Type in your query, and the application will do the rest. It's that easy to start researching complex topics or uncovering detailed information. Whether you need answers to simple or intricate questions, DeepSeek has you covered, making it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to dive into research or satisfy their curiosity. So, if you're ready to explore the vast knowledge DeepSeek has to offer, all you have to do is start typing. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.